Most people don't realize Excel can act like a menu. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use hyperlinks to jump exactly where you need to go. Watch this. Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Welcome back to First Steps in Excel. Okay, so up to now, you've learned how to format data, build trackers, protect your sheets, and speed up things with shortcuts. Today, we're learning something simple but incredibly powerful, hyperlinks in Excel. Okay, so hyperlinks let you click once and jump straight to maybe a website, another sheet, a specific cell, an email address, or even a file on your computer. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to insert, edit, remove, and format hyperlinks step by step, even if you've never used them before. Let's get started. A hyperlink is just a clickable shortcut that takes you somewhere else. You often use hyperlinks to open websites from Excel, jump between sheets, create menus or dashboards, link to supporting documents, or make shared spreadsheets easier to use. They're especially useful when your spreadsheets gets bigger. Let's start with the most common type, a website link. So if you click once on the cell where you want the link, then right-click on that cell and click Link. A window will then open up, and make sure existing file or web page is selected. Then from here, paste or type a website address into the address box. And once you've done that, click OK. That cell, as you can see, is now clickable. Click it once and Excel opens up the website. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, long links don't look great. So let's clean them up. So if you right-click the hyperlink, click Edit Hyperlink, and at the top, find Text to Display. Replace the text with something like Open Website. And then once you've done that, click OK. That link still works, it just looks much cleaner now. Now, let's link to another sheet. This is perfect for things like dashboards. So if you click the cell where you want the link, and then we're going to use a shortcut here, so press Ctrl+K. In the left menu, click Place in this document. Choose the sheet name, and then in cell reference box, type a cell you want to be taken to in that sheet. And then in the text display box, type something like go to sheet 1, and then click OK. And if you want to go on to further sheets, repeat the same process. So now you will see when you click this link, Excel jumps straight to that sheet and cell super quickly. You can also link directly to an email address. So if you click a cell, press Ctrl+K, click email address on the left, type the email address, add a subject line if you want to, and then click OK. And then as you can see, clicking this opens up a new email automatically. This is great for things like contact lists. Okay, so if you want to change a link, you need to right-click, go to Edit Hyperlink, and then from here you can update the address or text, and then you can simply click OK. And if you want to remove it completely, once again, right-click, click Remove Hyperlink, and as you can see, the text stays, but the link is now gone. So as you can probably see on the screen now, hyperlinks don't have to be blue all the time, okay? So you can change the font color. You can remove things such as the underline, and you can use clear wording like click here or go to sheet. Clear links make your spreadsheets easier for everyone. So now you know how to insert hyperlinks, edit the text, link to sheets, cells, websites, and emails, and remove or clean them up. It's a small feature, but definitely a huge improvement in usability. Now it's your turn. Try this quick challenge to practice what you've learned. First, add a hyperlink to a website. Then create a link to another sheet. Next, change the link's display text. And then finally, remove one of the hyperlinks. And do this once, and you'll never struggle with hyperlinks ever again. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.